Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and I'm having so much fun adding special moments to the Country Peony studio in unexpected places to help bring more joy to the space. I wanted to add extra whimsy to my small kitchenette cabinet, so I chose this whimsical peel and stick wallpaper. This is such an easy DIY and a great way to start your wallpaper journey. Just clean, measure twice, cut, peel and stick, and trim. That is all. I hope this inspires you to add some extra joy to your space. Thank you so much for following along, and until next time, happy crafting!